Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Java Virtual Machine Launcher error could not create the Java Virtual Machine on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that issue. For that go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on view advanced system settings. Click on environment variables, click on it. In here under the system variables, click on new. In here variable name, you just need to type underscore java caps letter java java underscore again caps letter option options options, and under variable value you just need to type minus symbol x caps letter max small letter 512 caps letter guys, exactly how you seen in my screen. After doing it, click on OK, click on OK again, click on OK again. You just want to restart your PC guys, and after restarting your PC your problem resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.